Hello guys, welcome back to the channel. In this today's video, I'm going to show you how we can recreate Princess Blair look from Barbie Charm School Princess and a Dress to Impress without VIP. Okay, let's get into it guys. First of all, you can choose this hairstyle and also this bang, and then you can color it blonde. And the next one, we're going to wear this t-shirt. I'm going to color it white. Okay, and let's go to this area and we're going to wear the sleeve. I'm going to color it white. Oops, sorry. For the t-shirt, I'm going to remove the pattern. Okay, and then I'm going to wear this shoe. I'm going to add sock and then I'm going to color the sock white. And let's move to this skirt area. And then we're going to wear this skirt and we're going to apply this pattern and this skirt as well and apply the same pattern. Okay, and then we're going to move to this area and wear the suit, and then I'm going to toggle it 3 and apply this color. Okay, and for the next selection I'm going to apply white. Okay, then I'm going to add a tie, so I'm gonna move to this section or this area and we can apply this pattern. Okay, and then I'm just going to add accessory, for example this bag. Okay, just for the accessory you can skip this back if you don't want to add. And then Princess Blair is supposed to wear tiara, but unfortunately it's in the VIP room, so I'm just going to replace it with another accessory. I'm just going to add this one. Okay, and I'm going to change the toggle. Okay, and this is the final result. Okay guys, and that's all the way to create a Princess Blair from Barbie Charm School Princess. I hope this video will be useful for you. Thank you so much for watching and bye.